In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a quote for a job, Xero. Creating a clear, professional quote in Xero helps you set expectations with customers and speeds up approvals. So let's walk through it together from start to finish. Start in your Xero dashboard and open the sales area. This is where all customer-facing documents live. Inside sales, choose quotes to view your current and past quotes. To create a fresh one, select New Quote. Xero opens a clean template that will complete from top to bottom. At the top, choose the contact. Pick the customer you're preparing the quote for so their details pull through automatically. This ensures the document is addressed correctly and saves you retyping information. Next, set the issue date. This is the date the quote is created and becomes the reference point for its validity. Most of the time you'll use today's date, but you can adjust it if you're formalizing an offer from an earlier conversation. Move to the expiration date. Xero gives you quick choices such as today, in 7 days, in 14 days, or in 30 days. This tells the customer how long the price is valid and helps you protect against cost changes. For this example, choose in 30 days, so the quote remains open for a month while the customer decides. Enter a reference. Keep it short and specific. Perhaps the job name, site address, or an internal job code, so you and your customer can find this quote easily later. Now, add the work you're quoting by selecting an item. Choose the product or service from your items list. When you select it, Xero fills in the description, unit price, and tax settings based on your item setup. Review the description, quantities, and pricing, so they match the scope you've discussed. Clear line descriptions reduce back and forth and make approvals faster. When everything looks right, it's time to send. Click. Send to deliver the quote directly to your customer via email from Xero. They'll receive a professional, branded document with all the details you entered. Sending straight from Xero also tracks the document status, so you can see when it's been sent and follow up confidently. That's it. You've created and sent a job quote in Xero. Using this same flow each time keeps your process consistent and saves time, and your customers get a polished quote they can approve quickly.